So a little bit of confusion here. 16th century is not Old English. 16th century is Shakespeare. It's still totally comprehensible today. When we say Old English, we're talking what the Saxons were speaking. This is like 1,000 years ago, more. And this stuff is a whole different language. You don't need footnotes. You need a translation. I mean, my pronunciation's rubbish, but I'll have a go. Here was Edward Jehelgod to Kinger on Winchester on Forman Easterdag mit Mitchellum Werfschipper. Here, Edward was consecrated as king at Winchester on the first Easter day with great honour. Despite that, there is loads of Old English in modern English. Out of the top 100 most used words, nearly all of them are Anglo-Saxon. So you know some Old English already. This is one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Every single word of that, except giant, is Old English. We shall fight them on the beaches? Old English. I have a dream? Old English.